Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how to use Gumroad to sell your digital product. This is the Gumroad, go to dashboard. Here my new account on Gumroad and this is my inside on the Gumroad. Here the product, click on product and here you can create a new product. I want to sell this PDF about how to love yourself. And I will go to Gumroad. I will to go to Cloud AI and upload my PDF ebook and tell Cloud AI to give me a best title and description for sell this ebook on Gumroad, and click enter. Now let's show what Cloud AI gave me. This is my title of book. I will copy it from Cloud. Copy it and go back to Gumroad, pass the title, and here I will add choose the ebook, and here we added the price. I will choose the $5. $5 is good. Click next, and here should to copy the description Cloud gave me. This is my description. I will copy it. I'll copy. This is the end. Copy and go back to Gumroad, click paste. This is my ebook description. Now I need to cover for this ebook. I will go to Cloud AI and tell him to give me prompts, simple prompts for create a simple cover book design. Now let's show the prompts. Here the prompts Cloud AI gave me. I will copy it from here. Copy all these prompts. And I will go to Gemini. Go to Gemini. And here I will just pass prompts and Gemini will give me my book cover. Let's show the result. And this is my cover. It's simple and good. I will click here, click download it, and I will go to Canva. And here I will customize the design for 600 and 600. Here 600 and put 600 here and click create. We'll upload my cover design here on Canva. Here we customize it here. And I will change the background color. No, this is good. That's it. I will download it now. Download and go back to Gumroad. And here we'll upload my cover. And here, cover image. Choose the design. Click open, and here my design. This is my book cover, and I'll upload it here. Click open, and that's it. Here the number page, and here the price, and choose this option for anyone you want to pay you more. Now click save, and here you upload your book. It's simple to use Gumroad. It's easy to use actually. You don't need complicated things. Now click publishing and your book publish, and here we choose the category of your book. If you healthy, software, AI, technology, any category, you found it on Gumroad, and here you added the tags about your book. My book is about how to love yourself. Let's choose all this topic. Self here. Now click save and change. Now my book is published on Gumroad. It's simple and easy, and in 3 minutes you can publish your book. Now, but Gumroad don't sell your book. It's just marketplace. You upload your book, but you should to promote in your book if you want to make sales. if you just upload your book on Gumroad and waiting to make sales, not you don't make any sales. You should to promote your book. And here and in this video I will show you how step by step. Go to Cloud AI or ChatGPT or any AI LLM and give him to your book topic and tell him to give you a short script video for create short form video for Instagram or TikTok video. Just tell him to give you a high value topic. Now Cloud AI, it's give me a list of topic you can generate generate a video about it for my ebook. Now I will choose the topic number 1 and tell him to give me a script. Let's show what Cloud AI will give me. Here the video scripts, but I want to copy it. I tell Cloud AI to just give me a text script. Don't give me the time and the emojis. Don't copy the emojis and upload. Don't do that. It's give me again the number. I will tell Cloud AI to just give me a script for copy it. I don't want to copy all this number for time and seconds. Let's show what Cloud AI gave me. This is my scripts video, and I will just copy it in here. I will click on copy and go to a new browser. Type here StepMagic AI. You'll find the link in the description. This AI tool, it creates AI avatar video just by passing your scripts. Here we are inside, and here we click on more, and click on more, choose AI avatar, and here all the AI avatar you can use it, but choose one AI avatar and start create daily content with this. When you choose one you like it, paste your scripts here and choose the language you want to create the content and click generate. Now let's review my AI avatar video. Let's review it.
Someone just asked you for a favor you don't have time for, so now you're rehearsing a text for 10 minutes. Draft 1, so sorry I can't, deleted. Draft 2, I wish I could, but deleted. Draft 3, a whole 3-paragraph explanation, deleted. Here's the thing, you don't owe anyone a TED Talk to protect your own time. Just say, I can't take this on right now, but I hope it works out. That's it. 1 sentence. No essay required. No is a complete sentence. Say it like you mean it. I've got more scripts like this for when people push back, when you need space, all of it. Link in bio.
That's it. It's come with captions and zooms. It's like a real person talk and video. Create 3 and 4 video every day and upload it on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook. Choose the quality here and upload it to your desktop. And I will show you the best way to promote your digital product. Don't upload your book, just go to calendar, and here you can connect your all social media, Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, and StepMagic will start schedule your posts every day to post it on all this platform, just like this page on TikTok do. It's create AI avatar and content just by typing the script on this AI tool and start and posting the content every day. It's a best strategy to start selling your digital product. If you don't show your face, I recommend to use StepMagic AI. If you want to try StepMagic AI, you'll find the link in the description. And this is the end in video, and I show you how to use Gumroad and AI avatar to sell your digital product, and I will see you the next one.